undefined values?
Infinity, 0 power infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity by
Hey,
infinity.
0 power infinity is defined value.
Sir,
Sir,
no
can I
sir,
say, sir?
infinity power 0 sir.
0, infinite
Infinite.
0, infinite minus infinite, and 0 by 0, infinite by infinite.
Okay.
1 to the
1
power of
power
infinity.
Yeah, 1 to the power of infinity. That is calculus, right? Very good. So everyone should remember all these things, right? And now I'm going to start set concept, set nothing but. So you know very well about the set concept. So set nothing but the set is a collection of well-defined and well-distincted object. Well-defined object of our perception or thought, like we have to think. It is like many. I'm going to very clearly. Okay, students. What is the mean by set? Set nothing but
Collection of well-defined
well-defined object. Object means so it's whatever it is. So, for example, collection of bangles, collection of students in a classroom, collection of states in the country. Okay, collection of rivers. Okay, and see here well-defined. This you should remember the word well-defined. So in set concept, what we are going to discuss, I will tell you very clearly. So set definition, set notations, and representation of a set. Representation of how many ways we can represent, like roster form, set builder form, like that. And then after we'll go to types of sets. In the types of sets also we are going to discuss about empty set or null set or zero set or void set. Okay, empty set and a singleton set, the set having only one element. And we will discuss about finite set and infinite set. Okay, then after we will discuss about some cardinal number. Cardinal number nothing but what? Cardinal number nothing but the number of elements that I can explain you one by one very clearly. Before that, I'm telling you cardinal number of a set, equal set, equivalent sets. There is a difference between equal sets and equivalent set. And then after we will discuss subset. Okay, then after we are going to discuss some next power set, power of a set, and the next complement of a set, and that is belongs to operations. So this cardinal, equal set, equivalent set, subset, empty set. So these all comes under types of sets. Now some operations are there. Already you know very well. Operation nothing but union of two sets, intersection of two sets. Okay, so complement of a set. Is that right, students? So disjoint sets are there. Different of two sets will be there. Complement of a set will be there. Okay, then after that, so we are going to discuss some important result based on that operation. Then algebra of sets are there. The next one is algebra of sets. Like that, these concepts we will discuss. The most easiest chapter in class 11 is set concept. Okay, most easiest chapter. The first chapter is
We will learn about sets alone or relations also, sir.
yeah, that is second chapter. That is so what is the
Sir, you're
first?
not presenting, sir.
Yeah, I'm going to present the screen. Just I'm
Okay.
explaining you. Now I'll present the screen. Then after I'll write one by one. See, I'm telling you that the exercise problems are very, very, very easy. Set concept. So if you see the first exercise, I will show you. I think I have downloaded it somewhere. See, coming to this class 12th, I made a video regarding to some 2-3 concept here. So that I forward you. Even if we having time, we will discuss this concept also. This is belongs to differentiation. Okay, students. And, okay, anyhow, it's easy only. Like first, today I'm going to explain just a concept. Most of them already having idea about the concept of set. Anyhow, we will discuss. So first, set. What does it mean by set? The collection of well-defined object. Okay. Then next, well-defined means can anyone give like different student? You can give different example. Yeah, anyone? First example, example one.
Collection of rivers in India.
Okay, collection of rivers in India. Next, right, that is well-defined. Next,
So colors in a rainbow.
right, colors of rainbow. Next,
States of India.
right, states of India. Good.
Number of
The
houses.
number of days in a year.
Number of dates in a month. Number of
In a
days.
year.
Okay, good. Next,
Number of houses present in a particular area.
right, very good. Number of houses present in particular area. Next, number of talented authors in India.
No, sir.
No. The best cricketers in the world.
No, sir.
No, sir. We cannot use adjective while we are describing a set, sir.
Is it not well defined?
No, sir.
Can you determining the person who is best cricketer in the world?
sir.
No, no. Yes or no? The tallest person in Erode.
We cannot count, sir.
Tallest. Is it a finite number of persons are there? Infinite will be there.
So finite numbers only, sir.
Then possibility is there.
Possibilities there, sir, but time will be more, sir.
No problem. It maybe take 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. No problem. Anyhow, we can whether we can identify the person or not. I said just Erode. Number of stars in the sky.
No, sir.
Can you count? So whenever it is uncountable, it is not well defined. Okay. The number of persons in India, countable, finite set. Okay. Talenters and brilliant and best. This and all, it's not well defined. It's not at all well defined, right? So that you can keep in your mind and just I'm going to download. Okay, students, some questions are there. Let's see. The first exercise. Right. And also I'm going to explain very easy way all the questions. I think just it will take 2 or 3 classes to complete all the exercises here. Okay, see here, you only tell me that all the questions here are which of the following are sets. Justify your answer. Yeah, anyone. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Can you able to see the screen here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Or what about this? Is this
Yes, sir.
set or not? So it is a countable and it is clearly well defined. Am I right? And next, what about the second question? Collection of
It's not a set, sir.
No, sir.
most talented writers. Most talented writers, because here the criteria of determining the writers, talent writer may vary from the person to person. Am I right? So that it is not a set. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen in the world. Just now we discussed that. Yeah. Is it set?
No, sir.
It is
No,
not a
sir.
set. Again, what is the criteria for determining this? A batsman talent may vary from person to person again. The collection of all boys in your class, 11C.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Find
sir.
it.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Then fifth, the collection of all natural number
Yes,
lesser
sir.
than 100.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand.
Sir, yes, sir. He might have written
Yes,
only
sir.
finite number of books.
Finite. That's
No
it.
number.
Finite set, nothing but the set having a finite number of elements. Infinite set will be there. For example, can you give any example for infinite?
Set of all natural numbers.
Yeah, set of all natural, whole, integers, real, everything is infinite. 1, 2, 3, up to infinite. These are the examples of infinite. For finite, clearly there, lesser than 100. The collection of all natural number lesser than 100. Finite, as well as it is set also. Okay, the collection of all even integers.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Is it not
Can
a set?
be-
Yeah, anyone. This. There's someone
It is a
saying
set, sir, but it is infinite.
no problem. We can represent a particular mathematically. We can represent this is like set of all even integer. It is possibility will be there. Okay, clearly it is a set. Okay, so because we can one can identify an even number like even integers here that belongs to the collections here. Okay, so we can say that this is a clearly set. Yeah, anyone? Oh, many questions are there, right? So the collection of questions in the chapters.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yeah, known. Collection of questions.
Sir, yes,
Is
sir.
it-
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. It is possibility will be there. So clearly it is a set. Now ninth one,
No, sir.
Sir. No, sir.
most dangerous animals. This is also, we can't say that this is a dangerous animal. Okay. See, second one also very easy actually. What they're asking, insert the appropriate symbol, this. So what is the mean by this? Belongs to. Belongs to. This is also called epsilon. Epsilon, right? So epsilon, the name is epsilon, the symbol which is called belongs to, whether the given number belongs to the given set or not. Okay, so we will discuss. This is a curly bracket. So between this curly bracket, few numbers are there which is separated by commas. So what we can call, whether it is a roster form or a set builder form.
Roster form.
Roster form.
You're having idea about this. So if you write a statement like a one property, a single property, we can write the a statement in a single property that is called set builder form. Set builder form generally we can write like x such that X. How can we write this X in set builder form? Actually, X such that X is a natural number.
And X less than 7.
X lesser than 7. That's it. This is the called set builder form. Right? Okay. Anyhow, this they given roster form. Roster form or another name is
Tabular form.
tabular form. Right? That again I can explain you that I'm showing you that how much easy all the questions. Okay. Now check. Can I write here belongs to A or does not belongs to A?
Belongs to.
Belongs to.
So belongs to A, nothing but you have to check whether 5 is there in the given set or not. Yes, it is there. We can write belongs to. Right. What about here? Is 8 is belongs to given set?
No, sir.
Is there any 8 in given set A? No, does not belongs to. Very easy. Right. What about 0? Belongs to or does not belongs to?
Belongs to.
0 is belongs to given set A.
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Yes. Is it clear? Yeah, everyone should respond here. R.N. Sharma, is it belongs to or not belongs?
Sir, the 2, sir.
Yeah, this is third subdivision.
Third set does not belongs to, sir.
Yeah, does not belongs to. Then fourth one, you only tell me
Belongs-
all this.
Sir,
Okay,
yes, sir.
belongs to.
Belongs
Fifth
to.
one, good.
Belongs to. Does not belongs to.
Does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. Okay, this is nothing but second question. So if you see the third question again, so what they given, write the following set in roster form. First, you should know about the roster form. Okay, so the collection of all numbers we can write within the curly bracket. Curly bracket. Then the object is separated by. Before that, here the collection of object we are saying the set. The sets are denoted by capital letters. The sets are denoted by capital letter. The objects or numbers or elements, whatever it is, it can be denoted by small letters, right? Sets are denoted by capital letters. Objects are denoted by small letters. Okay, everything you know. So roster form, okay, roster form or tabular form. Play students. They are asking roster form, but what they given here? So whatever they given here, so first subdivision to sixth one. So these all are belongs to set builder form. They given a statement like okay, they given some proper statement. We can convert it into, we can write in roster form. So x such that here the first one is x is an integer, and the integer value lies from between from -3 to 7. Second one is natural number lesser than 6. Third one is 2-digit number such that sum of its digits is 8, and x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry, and the set of all letters in the word better. Nothing but see here, they given a statement. So now we can write in a roster form or tabular form. Okay, roster form. And coming to the next, see here, write the following set in set builder form. See here, all the questions they given in roster form. So what do you understood here? Roster form means we can write all the object within a curly bracket separated by commas. Set builder form means we can build it. Okay, given roster form, we can build like a statement. That's it. That's it. Okay, right. Let's see the answers. I hope that everyone get answers of all this question. Is because easy. Because easy. See here, everyone look at here. The answer for first. I said we can write all the object with
-2.
curly bracket. It is an
-1,
integer
0.
from. Why can't we write here -3 onwards?
Sir,
We can
because
write
minus 3, x is lesser than minus 3, not equal to.
Lesser than.
It is
Yeah,
not.
Sir, in
exactly.
our book it is given less than or
less than
equal to,
equal
sir.
to.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you want to start with -3, they should give lesser than or equal to. But they given just lesser than, we cannot include. This is called the interval. So we should discuss, even you should know about intervals very clearly, open interval, close interval as well. See, open interval a comma b, what is the mean by this? All the numbers other than, for example, I'm giving 1 to 10. What is the mean by this interval? I'm giving the set of numbers given interval which is belongs to natural numbers. So what is the mean by, what are the natural numbers you are going to write here?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, 2, 3, 4. Why can't we consider here 1?
Because it is already given, sir.
Yeah, because here it is an open interval. That you know very well, open interval can be denoted by bracket like this, and a closed interval, and a semi-open, and semi-closed, like that. So open interval means all the numbers other than endpoints. Okay, all the number other than endpoints, nothing but we cannot include 1 and 10. So nothing but between 1 to 10, 2 to 9. That is the mean by open. If I write closed bracket 1 to 10, the set of all natural number 1 to 10. So what are the numbers we are going to get here? Yes. What are the possible numbers here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
1,
7,
2,
8,
3 till 10. Am I right? Am I right? So closed interval means including the endpoints. We can include 1 and 10 also. 1 and 10 also. Then what is the mean by semi-closed or semi-open? Like if I write here semi-closed 1 to 10 again here. 1 to 10. First here left side is it is closed, right side it is open. Right. Can you tell me the number which is belongs to this interval?
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8
1
up
to
to 9.
3 till 9.
Till 9. Okay. Then at last 1 to 10. Like now.
2, 3, 4
2,
till
3,
10.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
2 to 10.
Right. Okay. And also one more question is, what is the difference between this open bracket, closed bracket, and curly bracket? For example, if I write here 1 to 10, 1 to 10, and curly bracket 110. What is the difference between these three? Anyone?
So if we write it in the curly bracket, only the 2 elements are there, sir.
Yeah, only that 2 elements. Remember that. Only that 2 elements, 1 and 10 belongs to. But when we write closed interval, open interval, according to that dimension, if they given real number, you know, that 1 to 10 real number, how many are there?
Infinite.
Infinity. Okay, infinity. Even open bracket 1 to 10. How many real numbers are there? Infinity. Even 0.2, 0.1. How many real numbers are there between 0 to 0.1?
Infinity.
Infinity. Yes or no? Infinite will be there because 0.01, 0.001, 0.02. Like that, like we can write infinite numbers from 0 to 0.1. All are belongs. Okay, anyhow, we got idea about open interval, closed interval, and curly bracket. Okay, right? Now we will write. See, we can use roster form in curly bracket, the numbers which is separated by commas. Yeah, now you can start. See here,
Minus.
and one more question here. Can you write in interval form this? We can write here. We can use open bracket or closed bracket here.
Closed bracket, sir.
Closed, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if
Yes,
I write closed bracket means 3, 7. 3, 7, nothing but what? We can start with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I right? students. But can you write, if you're saying that 3 lesser than x lesser than 7 means, you said that closed bracket. Is it true? Can you able to write your 3 to 7?
No, sir.
Is
No, sir. Curly bracket.
C bracket, sir.
yeah, see here,
So we have to use open bracket. Sir.
open bracket, the 3 lesser than x lesser than
Minus
7, nothing but
comma.
open interval 3 to 7. Remember that. We cannot write here 3 because lesser than. We can write 4, 5, 6 alone. Even we cannot include 7 also. Am I right? We cannot include 7 also. So the answer is 4, 5, 6.
So that is minus 3, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Sir, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Correct. I thought it is question, right? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
100% it is
Yes.
right. Great. And second one, natural numbers less
1, 2, 3, 4,
than.
5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Why can't we take 6 here?
Sir, less than 6, sir, not
Less
equal to
than.
6.
Exactly. Not lesser than or equal to. It is just less than. This is the answer. Can anyone having doubts here?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Third subdivision. Firstly, you only tell me the answer.
So
So
35.
17, 26, 35, 44,
Exactly. 26.
35, 44,
Not
53.
17. Can't we take 17? 1
Yes,
plus
sir.
7. 26. Then
35,
35.
44,
Right. So 35, 44,
44, 53, 62,
62,
71.
71, 80.
80.
80. Very good. Once again I will write all this very clearly. So if you feel any like that. Is it clear, students? 17. 1 plus 7 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Like if you're adding all this, well, 8 plus 0 also 8. So these are the possible natural numbers. whose sum is 8. Right? Next, this. Yeah, tell me. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Prime numbers alone we can take. Is 60 is a prime number?
No, sir.
No, sir, it is a composite.
Sir, no.
Oh, okay. Now, write, all of you write fastly this numbers.
So 2, 3,
Okay,
5.
2, 3 also.
4, 5, sir.
Divisible by 4. This 4 is a prime
No,
number.
sir. 5 only.
Sir, no, 5.
5,
5 is right.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 2,
Then-
3, 5 only, sir.
Only 2, 3, 5.
Yes, sir. Rest all are composite.
That's all, sir.
So yes.
Rest all are composite number. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it. 2, 3, 5 because 60 can be written as 2 3s are 5. 2 3 6, 6 5s are 30. So that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 60. 2, 3, 5 alone. What about, see, can anyone tell that I'm asking one simple and wonderful question. How many prime numbers are there? Some 1 to 50 or 50 to 100 and 1 to 100. Can anyone having idea about this? Because in some competitive exam they asked already about this.
15 numbers,
1 to
sir.
50 is 15, sir.
1 to 50 is 15. Can you tell me what are those 15 numbers? Because see,
2,
as a
3.
mathematics students, you should idea about Very important. Yeah. Tell me that.
2, 3,
2,
5,
3,
7,
5, 7, 11, 13,
2, 3, 5, 7, 11,
17, 19,
17,
23,
19,
29,
29,
31,
31,
37,
37,
31,
41, 43, 47. That's also
41,
43,
42,
47.
47. So 5, 5, 5. Right, 15. Very good. Then 50 to 100. These are the prime numbers. 1 to 50. Everyone should remember this. In RRB, like Railway Recruitment Board and sometimes banking exam, also they asked these questions, right? And 50 to 100.
The 10
What are the 10 prime numbers?
53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97.
53, 59, 61, 67, 71,
73, sir.
73,
79,
79,
83, 89, 97.
89, 90.
7.
Yeah. What about you, other students? Is it right? Are you having any doubts? Okay. These are the prime numbers from 1 to 50, 50 to 100, and 1 to 100. 1 to 100 clearly, totally 25.
Yes, sir.
So how many even prime numbers are there in total entire real number system? Minus infinity.
only one, sir.
1.
Only one, that is 2. This is also one of the questions, simple questions, right? Okay, fine. Here in this question, they are asking about just prime number, which is divisor of 60, right? So fifth one is trigonometry. Trigonometry,
T,
can you
R, comma, that spelling also.
spelling alone? Just write curly bracket, separate with commas. That
Comma.
T, comma, R, comma, I, comma, G, comma, O, comma, N, comma, O, comma, N, comma. But see here my question is,
Sir, O will come only one time, sir.
that's
R
easy.
also one time, sir.
Yeah, you should not write twice or thrice. So the letter is repeated twice or thrice. You should not write that. Just write once. Okay, here O is repeated, T is repeated, R is repeated. Any other letter is repeated here?
O.
Yes. So those numbers you can write at once alone.
Once.
Okay. So T, comma, R, comma,
I,
I, comma, G, comma,
G,
O,
comma,
comma,
N, comma, M, comma, E, comma, T, comma, Y.
T, comma, Y. That's it.
T
Sir,
will not
T will
come.
not come, sir.
Oh,
Sir,
already
T
written.
already came in first, sir.
Yes, exactly. Even in better also, in better, T repeated
B,
twice
comma, T,
is,
comma, R.
that's it.
So
B,
this
comma, T, comma, R. This is difficult, nothing. Okay, we completed your 6 subdivisions. So next coming to here, can you able to write set builder form? Can you form the statement with using this set builder form, right? If you want to write the set builder form like above, so how to write? For example, I want to take this as A.
Sorry, X such that X is a multiple of 3 and X lesser than 15.
Yeah, you should write X such that X must. If they give a word if they give any word like this, you no need to write like that. You can write. Okay, X such that X is
A natural
Multiple
number.
of 3 and X lesser than 15.
yeah, we can write in 2-3 ways. As you
So we
said,
can write x by 3 belongs to natural numbers.
okay, X is multiple of 3. Then
And X lesser than 15.
and X lesser than 15.
Lesser than alone, sir, 15.
So equal to
Okay, right. Lesser, okay, lesser than 15. Okay, I understood. Okay, here you written that a multiple of 3 we written. Lesser than 15. How many are there
Sir,
lesser
greater
than
than
15 multiple?
0 also.
Yeah, because 0 is also multiple of 3, minus 3 also multiple, minus 8, minus 8, till minus infinity. Infinite numbers are there. But they're given just 3, 6, 9, 12.
Positive multiple.
Yeah, we can write x is positive multiple of 3 lesser than. Otherwise, yeah, this is also 100% right. And x such that x is equal to 3n. Okay, shall we write 3n? 3n. So 1
Where n
lesser
is a
than
natural number.
1 is lesser than or equal to n is
Five.
lesser than or equal to 4. If you write lesser than, it is 5. If I write e lesser than or equal to, it is 4. That is the only thing reason I'm saying. You can write in 2, 3. This is one way right. n lesser than 5. This is also right. This is also 100% right, because n is belongs to, you should write here, n is belongs to capital N, comma, you should write like this, or n is belongs to n and n lesser than or equal to 4, or n lesser than 5, n is belongs to n, you can write like this, you can write like this, you can write like this, everything is correct.
So in the first one, sir,
Ah,
we can write 3 lesser than or equal to x lesser than 15.
3, which one? First one?
Yes, sir.
3
Lesser than or equal to x lesser than 15.
less than 15 or lesser than or equal to 12. Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
What about, see, that is the reason I'm telling this, that is also correct. We can write in many ways. We can write in many ways. All are correct. But you can try to write one particular form. Okay, in words you written here, it's better to write mathematically like this. X is equal to 3n, because we are saying that it is multiple of 3. Why don't you write a 3n? N is belongs to like a 1 to n is belongs to n, and n is lesser than or equal to 4, or n is lesser than 5. Like that you can write. Then second one, because
Yes.
here multiple of 3 means that we are writing in word sentence. It's better to write mathematical representation. The second one, see here, how can you write the second one?
Sir,
So
x
2
belongs x 2 power n, where n is
Exactly. N is belongs to
where
capital
n
N.
and
1
x,
greater than or less
x
1
lesser
greater
than or equal to 32.
So we
Lesser,
can
no,
write
no, 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 not 32.
5, sir.
5 alone. Because
So we can
32
write
if you
x
write
less
in
than 32 also.
Excel,
X lesser than or equal to 32.
if you take what is X you are mentioning here? Natural numbers. When you want to write X lesser than or equal to 32,
Sir, 5, sir.
what is X?
natural.
That time, again you can write in sentence form, X is multiple of 2, X is multiple of 2, X lesser than or equal. Instead of that, why don't you write mathematical representation like 2 power n, n is belongs to n, n is lesser than or equal to 5. Simple.
Okay.
Okay, you can try that remaining 3 also, like try to write in mathematical representation like 3n, 2 power n. So third one also 5 power n. Am I right?
5 power n. X equal to 5 power n.
Fourth subdivision is what? 2n. Am I right?
N is a natural number.
N is belongs to n. That's it.
So
Here
fifth
1,
one,
4.
x is equal to n.
Sir, n square, sir, where n is a natural number. N belongs to 1 to 10.
Super. X is equal to
1
n
to
square, n is belongs to natural number. And n is lesser than
Equal to 10.
less than or
11.
equal to 10.
Equal lesser than 11, but lesser than or equal to 10. Both will be
Yes,
right.
sir.
Okay, anyhow, see, all questions are like this only. Not only this exercise, all exercises. Okay, if you're able to understand the set concept, the relations and functions becomes very easy. Okay, so we can spend more time on relations and functions. Because in coming to